Oh, no way, dude. Whoa, look at that. It really is, look. We found a freaking secret room. What is up, Evil Crew? Okay, you guys. We are back to the best place we've ever found and the most requested. We've never had people request so much for us to come back to this place and take another look around. But there's one thing that I forgot, guys, when we came back last time. And just to let you guys know, it's about to get stormy out here. It's pretty sketchy out here. I'm sorry for the wind. I don't know if we're gonna be anybody up there when we get up there, guys. So we're gonna cruise up this road kind of slow, keep our eyes open, because like I said, we're not sure if there's anybody gonna be out here or not. So let's go. Okay, guys, what I'm noticing is a lot of these tags from the BLM say from 2016. So it's like they've been coming out here for a while. They've never actually enforced and taken anything. Yeah, this is like a jail. This is like a massive generator right here. Man, I wonder what something like this is worth. Got like a leather console in the center. Still got a stereo and a fan up there. Got a storm right over there, guys. The rain's coming down over there. Luckily for us, we still got a little blue sky. Looks like more of those milling balls, I think. I believe those are used for breaking down ore. Right there, see that? And there's a lighter, old Bic lighter in there too. Some kind of ore. What are these, guys? Those are weird looking. See those? Oh, look at, they're mill balls. Yep. See? Yeah, they're mill balls. Here's some more. Alright, guys, we are heading up. It's like the first time we came up here, it's like you're waiting for someone to pop out of somewheres at you. I mean, this place has just got a really creepy vibe to it. Alright, guys, so in my last video, you guys probably remember that I've totally forgot to check something out, and it has to do with this spot right here. And there's something right there that's covered. I'm not really sure how you get to it though, unless it was just they just built a walkway or something right there. You see the cinder blocks? You can't get to it this way unless there's a secret door right there. I mean, you see that? I bet you there's something under there. We'll go in there and look for a secret door. But it got late and I wanted to see the rest of the stuff down there. But if you guys notice right here, what I noticed the last time I was here is you see the cinder block in the back of this building. Now, it could just be a platform for the water tanks. But, hey, look at this. There's a magazine for a firearm right here. I wonder what kind it is. Let's see. Yeah, look. And we got some old tin right here. But I thought maybe there would be a door on this side. You can see the wood, like what would be the wood platform right there. But maybe for the water tower or something. I'm gonna get up there and take a look in a minute. But as you see, if there was a door here, it's been covered by all the dirt. Let's go check the other side. And then over here, look, I thought maybe there'd be a door, and there's no door here either. Once again, we can see the cinder block walls, which makes me think that there is some kind of way in. So let's go check inside, guys. Let's see what's in there. We got a solar panel right here. I mean, there's just so much stuff. I know you guys wanted to see everything, but we're gonna take and see what we can see what we can find. So, in here it doesn't look like much, but look, there's a gap in the wall here, and maybe just by chance, just see. Oh, no way, dude. Are you kidding me? Check this out, guys. What the heck? Whoa, look at that. It really is. Look. We found a freaking secret room. Oh, that's creepy. Should we go in? Alright, I gotta go get a mask, guys. I gotta get a mask on. We gotta go check that out. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's go get a mask. Let's go. Alright, guys, check this out. Got my mask on, guys? No way. This is so crazy. Can you guys freaking believe it? We found a secret door. Look, they tried to block this window for some reason. And once again, we could see they had all kinds of, like, you know, pornography on the walls. Let's go check this place out. Whoa. I don't know. I'm sketched to go in there. We're going to find, like, rattlesnakes or... Look at this. There's a jacket still hanging on the chair. What the heck? Gotta walk real softly. Look at this place. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, what's inside those? I want to see what's inside those containers right there in a minute. Got some containers over here. Alright guys, check it out. There's some containers right here. I wonder what's inside there. I guarantee it's not cottage cheese. Should we open them and see? Should we pull them out? Let's just lift them up and see if they're heavy. I don't feel like there's anything in it.
Yeah, it's really heavy actually.
That's 9mm ammo. That's ammo.
It's okay to put up here, right?
Yep. Are they all heavy like that? Is there like tons of ammo in these? Yeah. It tells us what it is. Let's take a peek. Yep, it's all ammo, guys. That's all it is in there. I see it more. 40. But look at this. Look at all the walls, guys. What the heck? Almost looks like they were putting like soundproofing on the walls. You can't really see in there though. Looks like they were putting soundproofing on the walls. Look at this. What do you guys think this was? I mean, what the heck? The soundproof has been falling off. We have this weird stuff up here. Cartoons. Strange cartoons, yeah. Over here, we got, well, I don't have to explain that to you guys. Over here.
Spider up there.
Where? Oh yeah, he's just a daddy long leg. Look at that over here, guys. Got all kinds of bottles of liquor. It still has liquor all in it. Look at them, tons of bottles of liquor. Let's see what we have over here. Oh, we got stuff in here too. We got some light bulbs. I don't know what's in those bottles. Oh look, we have something up here. Sodium hydroxide, and then what does that say on there? Somebody's friend made this.
Look at all these spiders. Look at them. No, look at, seriously. Look at them.
Yeah, the spiders are all over in here, guys. Alright guys, check it out. We have like some strange rope on the ground here. This is like I know this probably sounds silly, but this really reminds you of like a place a serial killer would hang out. I mean, you got your hidden room. I mean, we found a freaking hidden room, guys. This is probably a once-in-a-lifetime chance. Over here, you can't really see though. I'm not sure what's in this container. It's an oxidizer. We got ammo here, 9mm. In there, it's supposed to be just rodent stuff. I don't know what's underneath it. And more stuff inside there. Looks like more ammo, actually. And over here, we have something that says friend made this. I think we need to get it out. Let's get it out.
Butt spiders.
And big butt spiders. That on there says Randy's friend Mark made this. I have no idea what it is, guys. We have no idea what any of this stuff is up here. Yeah, guys, this place is creepy. And we got lots of ammo inside this box here. I'm not sure what was in these boxes right there. What a weird spot. Alright, guys. We literally found a secret room, but that's not crazy, guys. I knew it. I could tell by the cinder blocks that something was wrong with the way this looked. That's the first time we've ever found an actual hidden room, guys. This is a real hidden room. Look at that. They literally cut a hole in the wall, and then they put this bathroom tile up, and then this thing in front of it. This almost like a bookcase, but a shelving in front of the door. And it reminds me like those old time ones where they would, like, you know, the mafia would do that when they were making, like, you know, their whiskey. And we're gonna close this up. Check that out, guys. A real hidden room. And there's a little even bird's nest on top up there. You can see the bird's nest. What a trip. Alright, guys, so we just came out of that room right there. I still can't believe we literally found a secret room, guys. The first time we've ever found a secret room right there. I mean, can you guys believe that? Have you guys ever seen anybody find a secret room? So that tells me, guys, there's probably a lot more stuff hidden here that we haven't even found yet. So we're gonna just keep looking around here and see what we can find. Because, I mean, we have mine tunnels up there we haven't looked at. There might be all kinds of equipment up there. So we're going to head up there and see what's up those roads. And this tower right here, a lot of people said, oh, it's a communications tower. But I mean, that's a pretty heavy duty tower. Maybe it is, but it has a ladder. See the ladder? And what's that platform up there on the top, guys? What would be up there? Looks like a platform for a lookout tower to me. And look at, there's some plugs right there for this tower. Right there, some switches, some light switches. A lot of people point out to me though, in this building right here, that there were some TV monitors. They were actually for cameras. So around here, there probably are some cameras. Look at, guys, I found an antenna right up there. Anybody know what that was for? Look at me zoom in on it. Yeah, that's just a television antenna. I'm not really sure. Anyways, so we're just kind of poking around, and we're just kind of taking a peeky, as Emma would say. And guys, we're looking around, and immediately we notice something else kind of interesting. Look right here underneath the stair, guys. Right there under the stairs, there's a hole right there. Why would there be a hole right there? It's obviously cut out intentionally. So now we're gonna take a look under there and see what we can find, okay? Let's stop and let's put the camera down there and just let them peek in first before we actually pull anything out.
Alright.
And then see if you guys see anything down there, and I'll see too at the same time you guys see. So when you're seeing this, I'm gonna be seeing it. Let's put this in there. Let's put that down there. Can't see anything yet. Just lighten it up, guys.
Oh, the camera's getting so dirty.
Oh yeah, there's something in there. There's like a, the frick is that, like a monkey, guys? There's like a monkey head under there. Let's see what that is. And a rope. What the heck is a rope doing under there? It's okay, let's grab. What the heck? There's a freaking monkey. Hold on. Let me see that monkey. What the heck? Look at the insides of it. It's been opened up. Like, I bet you something was stuffed in there. Guys, what is this rope? What is this rope would have been for? Look at the rope right there. The tip of the rope. That's like a leather. Is that someone knows if that's for like equestrian use or something? So what else is under there? Do we see anything else underneath there? A toothbrush. That's a pretty interesting thing to find under the stairs. Let's shine some light on this subject. I swear I see something that looks like jewelry or something. Do you see that? Alright, so we're going to try to use a snake grabber to see if we can pull anything out from in there. It looks like jewelry. Oh, look at that. There really is, guys. The heck is that? So they were hiding stuff all over this property. Who knows what people have missed? So we've been looking underneath this porch where we found this little cutout. And it appears there are some bags under there and also a pot of some kind. And we're trying to get out, guys. Who knows what's in there? Usually when people hide stuff, you know, they're trying to keep it hidden. They will put it like money, cash. They'll put it in bags with hopes that it won't get destroyed. All right, guys, we're going to try to get out what else is underneath this area. We're trying to get to the pot now. It's what kind of pot that's under here. Oh, what a trip. There is a pot. I don't know if there's anything in it, though. Can't tell. Alright, guys, so we didn't see anything else under there. That was kind of an interesting, you know, find, if you ask me. I don't know what was in that stuffed animal, but I can't help but believe that there was something in that stuffed animal. Well, we took a look. Alright, guys, I know there was some more stuff down below. Let's go. I wonder where they would have kept the surveillance cameras. We have a storm coming towards us, guys. Right there, there's a storm. All right, Emma's gonna go up and check the roof. But that's probably the worst place to be in a lightning storm, actually.
Hopefully don't fall.
Want me to catch you? It's where they got their heating oil right here. All right, we're gonna head up this way and see if there's a mine back here we haven't yet checked out. I'm not sure about that tank of. I don't think there's any water in that one. That's another small tank, and there's that antenna up there. Hey, look at that. There's an old lamp for a miner's helmet. Check it out, guys. There's another van up here. It's another kind of good condition van. Oh, here's the massive water tower here. I wonder if there's any water in it. It's turned off. Let's turn it on. See if any water comes out. Yeah.
What did you do?
I turned on the water. There's actually still water in here. Alright guys, so I don't know how much water is in there, but there's a lot. Over here we have another creepy van. Check it out. Oh, it has tons of those freaking prickly things. Still has the engine, but I'm not getting in there. How do all those thorns get in there? There's drapes in this van. Oh, you know what this reminds me of, guys? For some reason, this creepy van reminds me. You guys hear about that missing person? I can't remember what their names are, but there was like a Polaroid photo of two kids, like in the back of a van. You remember that? They were like on a bed and they were taped up, and it was part of like a missing persons case. What if this was the van? Let's look inside. Nothing in there now, but there was blue carpet throughout. That's a trip, guys. Someone had to open this door here. Yeah, we don't want those things coming out. Alright, this isn't the mine though. I thought this would be the mine, but the mine's up that way. So we're gonna climb up this hill, see if we can't find the mine entrance. Okay, I don't think there's a mine tunnel up here. I feel like they just clipped this off. It's raining over there, guys. Yep, nothing here. Okay, guys, just in case we happen to die, something happened to us, we get struck by lightning or something, both of us just got an overwhelming scent, a citrusy smell.
Now we're gonna die.
And see, look, I can get a pretty good look at that antenna from here, actually. Hey. Is this made out of the same, looks like it's made out of the same metal that antenna is made out of. That like lookout. Look at that, guys. What do you think that was? Looks like he has some kind of, maybe, I don't know if that's an air compressor. If you guys know, let me know. But something is definitely buried here. Alright, you guys. So that pretty much concludes our explore of this place. We're getting surrounded by thunderstorms. So we're going to try to get out of here before we get a lot of rain on us. If you liked the video, hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that little bell if you guys want to watch our live streams and be known right away. Be alerted right away. So, yep, I'm getting rained on right now, guys. We're getting hit with rain. We're out of here. Let's go.